this video, we would like to introduce the EYFR04 controller to you. The main difference to already existing EYFR03 is that EYFR04 can divide 16 tools into 4 working stations, so-called interfaces. With those interfaces, totally 4 tools can work simultaneously. With EYFR03, that is 16 tools. Of course, that works with Panasonic mechanical impulse as also with EYFGA screwdrivers. These interfaces can work completely individual from the other interface. While with EYFR03 you had to finish the work of each tool before the controller changed the parameter or job. With EYFR04 you can run a job at one desk, while at the other working desk the worker has a barcode scanner and pick up the right parameter by scan. If all 4 interfaces or workers need a barcode scanner, we need to use this splitter. We have here 4 connection points for the barcode scanner. On the other side you have the connection points to the controller. Further to this, of course, the controller offers open protocol, ProfiNet or Toolsnet. Via open protocol, the 4 interfaces can be controlled via internal ports. Means every interface owns its own internal port. Therefore, you can handle EYFR04 as 4 controllers in your IT system. But now, let's have a short introduction. First, you need to connect the tools to controller, like with EYFR03. In my case, we already connected 2 tools. But here's also the main difference to EYFR03. After connecting, please enter which interface the tool should belong to. In my case, tool number 1 belongs to interface number 1 and tool number 2 to interface number 2. If you want to change this, just click here on Edit, and you have here at Interface the possibility to change 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. After doing that, you can move on to parameters and jobs. Here you have to select the interface you want to edit. In my case, interface number 1 is tool number 1 with only 1 parameter. It's talk stage 1, so here are the standard settings for the tool. Interface number 2 is tool number 2, means parameter number 2, but also parameter 17 I set up a new parameter, and both I connected in a job, means first I have one application with parameter 2, which is talk stage 1, and then once this is finished it should change to talk stage number 5, parameter 17. So let's see how this will work. So as you can see here, this is tool number 1, interface number 1. So we can now work as we want. This is already still the same as with FR03. But if I want to have this tool to change the parameter, in the past, this one had to do the job first. And this doesn't exist anymore, because if I now finish, get a green light, this will already change to parameter 17, as this is interface number 2. And therefore I'm completely open to work as I want. You can see here, now is talk stage number 1 on parameter 2. Change to talk stage number 5. While this is still on stage number 1. Thank you very much for your attention. Let me know if you have any question.